Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 A220 4MATIC. This one's iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 188 horsepower and 221 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch 10-spoke wheels, a black MB text interior, panorama sunroof, A220 4MATIC badging, set of all-season and regular floor mats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, heated seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, touchscreen media display, dual climate controls, multimedia package with navigation, wireless charging, touchpad for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This A220 has 7,528 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this A220 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.